Right, so basically we're going to abandoned railway track. Yeah.
I already made a video on it.
Alright, we're doing it again because I'm specky. Now, yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna try and find that USB stick thing.
Oh yeah, because I found one last time. I found a USB stick and I don't know what's on it, so we're gonna find out.
So we're gonna try and find it today.
Yeah, I just left it right at the top of the railway bridge.
If
so it'd
somebody
be
hasn't
easy
like
to find.
shoved up their ass yet, it's this way.
I mean, I'll do it for a $5. Okay, let's go to it. I'll see you guys there.
I wouldn't do it for $5. That's too cheap.
I was joking. I'll do it for like maybe 100 quid.
Mate, I'll do it for like 50. Not $5.
I was joking. Okay, see you guys there.
Shut the up.
Okay, no. No. Okay, so first of all, we found an upside down cross. I think, yeah, you can still see it there.
Where?
Upside down cross. So it stands here. Look, you can see it there.
Where?
Stick cross there. Look, I'll show you.
Where?
Stick, look, down there. Upside down cross. And now we find this.
Look.
That is a pentagram.
Look.
666, almost die.
That's an Illuminati thing.
No, that's a pentagram. Pentagram with an eye in it.
Okay.
Rest in peace, little people. Is it? What? What? This is messed up.
This is actually scaring me. GGG. What does that mean?
666, you dumbass.
I'm sorry. I thought GG. Oh, good game.
Good game.
Like these guys play Fortnite. Good game, bro. GGG. What does that say? Which blad? Which blad?
God is dead.
No, it says God curry.
God's curry's dead.
Yeah, apparently God curry's dead, guys. You've heard it here, loud and proud. Channel 4 News. God's curry dead.
Keemstar.
Drama alert. Okay.
Let's climb
What
it.
does that actually even say?
This wasn't here before. This is weird.
RRY, I think.
Right, I'm gonna stop calling and we're gonna go up there and look at it.
Nothing. This Charlie said that he found a USB stick
Up there. And I
there.
put it up there.
Yeah, with Michael.
And now it's here.
these vandals have obviously moved it. And there's some glove thing here. Not sure if you guys can see that. It's probably got identity on it.
Lift this up.
Oh, it's probably nothing underneath it, Charlie. It's just a rock.
And there's like a head underneath it.
Yeah. So
Pick it up. It was really like
I don't really want to touch it. It might be criminal
no.
evidence. So here we are, guys.
That is weird.
What's it say on it?
We're taking it back.
Yeah, it's a Sony one. This will not work in the computer.
No, it won't. But let's try it.
Yeah, let's try it.
Let's do it on
So-
my brother's computer because I don't want to
Yeah.
break mine.
So we got one piece of evidence so far.
How's it going down there?
Children. What? For little innocent children walking past
True.
the wall and seeing that. So just don't do it again. It's fucking scary, man. Like as I say.
Don't smoke it. There's a
No,
bit of weed left in here. This is a weed packet. There's weed in it. Just put it back.
No, we have to take this to the police.
Okay.
Okay, let's look for any more evidence.
Yeah, it's working here. This is great beer. That ain't ready. Smoking. Ain't anything too serious, yeah?
We're gonna take the gloves as well.
Okay. Guys, this is insane. I think this is the first time I've used front-facing camera all day. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still filming. Okay. Let's go back. Okay. Right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to become a Zilla. Like and subscribe and everything. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Guys.